In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PostgreSQL to n8n. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your n8n instance and the connection details for your PostgreSQL database. You don't need to paste any sensitive information here in the video, but you will need it in your own environment. Things like the host, port, database name, user, and password. Start inside n8n. On the left-hand side, click Personal, then open the Credentials tab. This is where n8n securely stores the connections you create, so you can reuse them across multiple workflows without re-entering details each time. In the top right corner, click Create Credential to set up a new connection. In the search box, type Postgres, then select the Postgres option and click Continue. Choosing the correct credential type ensures n8n presents the right fields and talks to your database using the proper driver and settings. Now, you'll see the form for your PostgreSQL connection. Enter the host, which is either a domain name or an IP address. Add the port number, which is typically 5432, unless your database is configured differently. Provide the database name you want n8n to use, along with the database user and the corresponding password. If your provider or company policy requires encryption in transit, make sure to enable SSL or TLS based on your database's requirements. You can usually find all of these details in your database provider's dashboard or from your internal documentation. If you're self-hosting PostgreSQL, confirm that your server accepts connections from your n8n environment and that any firewall or security group allows traffic on the port you're using. Double-check everything for typos, then click Save. At this point, n8n securely stores the credential so you can select it whenever you need database access in your automations. If you ever rotate passwords or move to a different host, you can come back here and update the same credential instead of changing multiple workflows. With the credential saved, you can now use it inside your workflows. Add a Postgres node to your workflow, and in the node settings, choose the credential you just created from the drop-down. From there, you can run queries, read data, insert records, or update tables as part of your automations, all without exposing raw credentials in your nodes. If you run into connection issues later, verify your host, port, and database name, confirm your user has the right permissions, and ensure your network or VPN allows access. Otherwise, you're all set. That's all. You've connected PostgreSQL to n8n and are ready to build powerful, data-driven workflows.